Ever wondered which is the most expensive hotel in the world? Well, forget about your typical $200 to $500 weekend night trips. So, if money is not important to you and you are looking for your next premium vacation, then here is the most expensive hotel in the world. Lovers Deep offers an amazing luxury submarine experience. The people at Oliver's Travels are known for their exclusive, one-of-a-kind holiday experiences, and this time they're proposing something as out of the box as it gets. Of course, the endless blue seas and skies are wonderful, especially if you're on a luxurious yacht. But why go see what's under the surface? Well, if you can spare $175,000 per night, you can do just that, aboard Lovers Deep, a luxurious submarine designed for the ultimate romantic experience, deep underwater. Oliver's Travels recommends the island of St. Lucia as an embarking point, but you can choose from any island in the Caribbean. Just make your reservation and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. If you thought the Caribbean was beautiful from the shores or from the deck of a boat, just wait till you see what's down in the deep. Schools of fish, pods of dolphins, and the most amazing landscapes of coral are all underwater, waiting to be discovered. All in all, Lovers Deep offers the romantic traveler with deep pockets a luxurious and certainly unique luxury experience.